Of HIV among young people in the country is on the rise. This is according to the National AIDS Council, which says over 20,000 people have been infected this year. Meanwhile, on this day that the world marked World AIDS Day, a number of people living with HIV are complaining that they are no longer accessing Septrin, which they claim is a very important drug in their therapy. Sharon Baranga reports.
16-year-old Micah, not his real name, is a Form 3 student. He aspires to be a doctor once he completes his studies. Micah was diagnosed with HIV when he was 6 years old.
Time ndio issue sana kabisa, unapata saa zingine nimetoka shule late. Hata sasa sometimes mjua pale ni siku modern extend venye nataka. Unapata hiyo time inafaa kuwa kama ni saa moja. Zingine umetoka shule late na saa 1:30. Zingine imeza even earlier.
Micah wears many hats. He is also a youth champion who creates awareness on HIV among his peers.
Na meet wase tunafanana, then tunafundishwa 2-3 about kujikeep healthy na stuff kama hizo na kujikubali. So unapata unajikubali tu wewe mwenyewe venye tu uko.
According to the National AIDS Control Council, children of school-going age form the bulk of new HIV infections. This year, 21,404 have been infected. In total, 41,728 new HIV infections have been recorded this year.
I've been taking my medication for the last 19 years. Can you imagine? Miaka 19 unakunywa dawa, yani mwili yako ishakuwa chemist, unaona? Nona zoea, si ndio?
Nameza dawa vizuri, nafuata masharti ya madaktari. That's why I'm healthy and you cannot know.
According to the Global HIV Policy Report, Kenya recorded 42,000 new infections of HIV in 2019 alone, and only 74% of those infected are on ARVs.
But a number of people living with HIV have been complaining that they are no longer accessing Septrin, a drug they claim is very important in their therapy. Some say they have been forced to purchase the drug from chemists, where they can only get 1 tablet for 10 shillings.
Tangu COVID ianze mwezi wa 3, tumekuwa na changamoto ya Septrin. Ukienda hosi unaambiwa kuna Septrin, ukienda kwa chemistry unaambiwa utapatiwa Septrin moja tu. Na hiyo Septrin ndio inazuia magonjwa tegemezi kama homa, kichwa ikikuuma, na Septrin ndio inasaidia hata hiyo ARV.
In Kibra, a number of activities were lined up aimed at creating awareness to residents on the importance of knowing their status and free HIV testing and counseling. A number of people turned up for testing in 5 stations set up in the neighborhood.
It is 99.9% accurate. Yeah. So it may be... So people say it's not accurate because maybe they don't know how to use it. Interpretation, how to use it, because sometimes others use saliva. They don't wipe where it is required. Yeah.
In Kajiado County, the Chief Administrative Secretary in the Ministry of Health, Mercy Mwangangi, together with the Governor, Joseph Olelenku, joined residents in marking World AIDS Day, where they were urged to shun from stigmatizing people living with the virus.
We're still facing major challenges in providing medications to children living with HIV. By the end of 2019, we had an estimated 100,000 children below 14 years of age living with HIV, and only 72,000 were on treatment.
The day was commemorated in a number of counties such as Kakamega and Kwale. Sharon Baranga, TV 47.